anuanom ne adofo yɛda mo ase ɛsa nso ma mo ampa baby ɛde by Church of Christ TV akem odan ɛso Samri yabɔ mpa yɛ bibia wie yi gyedi yɛsɛ Nyankopɔn te asefo a ɔbɔ ɔsoro bɔ asase ne bɛka ho no waka me ho ne ya aso atie na obebe sɛ se ɛna dua yi ɛda ne yɛre kasa afa ho Potoka sermon be exposing false teachers or false prophets and now say exposing false Christians. Na me no be hwe biribi kakra na sena ye pese ye da won anase ye yi won to adino ye be hwe bi o Mark huma no obronu be kese Mark 16:15 to 18. And the animal adoption after that, Obroni Kebribisi exegesis or Kwanga Yefasuya Yet the Bible no ase. Nesuswam passe in Pembe Brenius yet the Bible no ase. Sa or Kwang no Yefaso near the church the Bible asiana. And up there the men got no Obisi. Say oda sorry anas oda pa who be to be catch anything esia mercy anas obenten me refra okona ko kama sem de wasofo bebre one was wa yasofo nanso obehwe no na Bible na Nyankopon ede ma yensi yensua ni emu na atemode ede na hyede no ni agya wato ho yes every be calling. In the review of Mark 16:15 to 18. Now say we're calling Bisa or Honomadia, and now and the Adophanum. In the first century, Brakisosufia say, now Paul, and the Enrianomo, Edding Kitaho, Efa Chrysosumono, or Kasa Assembly, and the Timothy. 2 Timothy chapter 2. Verse 15. Paul catchere Timothy say, study to show thyself unto God, a workman that need not to be ashamed, rightly divide the word of truth. Timothy, for who si was so yumayeni a ofata na fe chichachira osem anasa no kwasam ne chichem say wo bribi a de call na anga Timothy anga Nyankopon friend o wona bribi Timothy na ena ne maami ankasa no we nyamsofo nanso Paul ka tell me say hey brother study so that God will approve you. I don't know so why also on sound so chichachira osem. And we are exposing false teachers, and then false Christians. It's a rules of interpreting the Bible better than say. Bible na eda hono no. Yen ko fa ba bia yen de. Na ye dia ye adwuma. Ni yakofa ba bia enya yen de no. Na ye kata so ni ye di esie. Na me no kan Mark 16 no na dia ehoseni 15 ni say na ose wanse monko wiase nyina enkoka asempa no enkyere abode nyina 16 nia ojedi na wobono esu no wobeje no nkwa na nia onye no wobebu ne fo 17 ni say na ensenkyerene yi bedi won a wojedi no achi medimu wobetutu ahohobone wow Bible ni say won a wojedi no se wojedi wi a ono nyankopon na Kristo ni dimu no obetutu ahomone ye ne problem afa yantu ase wobeka kasa horo anase kasa foforo enonso ye ni problem na emomu won a wogedi a wotumi etutu ahomone a woka kasa foforo no tie niye afa 18 ni se wobemma awoso na sa wonum ewudura eri nyawon hwe wode wan sabegu ayarefoso ama won ho aye won den hallelujah many problem nanso asofo no ne saa akyerɛkyerɛfo atorofo no a wose won de won agya di nti wotumi atutu ahobone no many problem saa akyerɛkyerɛfo ene atorofo adifo no a wose won de wotumi sa yare no many problem instant healing na beka ho asemi na mo challenge ni Sasana tenedia ose wobedum ewuduru safo na wan fence mo na tada ya kan kodu be dia ne ya jaw nka ne dia nkan wama awoso ne hwe bio won kodu ma wuduru mitro challenge edema won kodu ma wuduru ne hwe sa won wu ana eza safo no Kristo se won a woje di no sansa nkyerɛ ni wei na bedi wɔn akyi ogaga wo say hey I don't man so we brado nyankopɔn hwɛ Bible you can't pick and choose ne ya wo da na wo de ya adwuma ne ya nya wo da no ende no agye wato hɔ ne a ɔkan si wo betuma ya miracle no nsankyerɛ ni wei na bedi wɔn akyi no ɔno ya na ɔkan si wo no ma wudura enya wo hwɛ afɛ bio se oma owoso a ondube nkawo adona Christopher ye nya atwomosa kaka se o winye ni ene ti na wo kan sa wo ye Kristo ni mapa ni ameka akire wo nyina ne se proper Bible interpretation ne kire se this thing was given to the first century Christians, that is the apostles na nyawo enyame na yeka na saa no minisa bebre beja hu akinye na bebre kai je akinye saa na akinye ne se wajeri na wie no ne amebisa ne se ene na ne oka asamba ko kasa foforo no ma ne ayaresa no ma ne ade no osanso ka se wo benu awudura ka ho osanso ka se wo be ma awoso nanso saafo no wo ma awoso ya enye wo hwe hina no so odi ya ayaresa instant healing oya miracles oka kasa foforo na kasa foforo ne yebeba so enje bia chapter 2 ena Kristosum fiase ena nanu ne ka kasa foforo na kasa foforo no o kire ye muse wo hwe kasa beye 17 na sa Kristosum fiase no ya kai no obia te kasa na waka na se ena muse dem moka wo no nyankopɔ ntem asem sa wa hu ma yenhwe bibi wa asomafo nyuma no tie ye do wotwe nchichema de onua na nkwa pema de onua asia no na Hawking Gansa ene de meka no wapoto kase o say a certain Jew named Apollos, born at Alexandria, an eloquent man and mighty in the scriptures, came to Ephesus. This man was instructed in the way of the Lord, and being fervent in the spirit, he spoke and taught diligently the things of the Lord, knowing only the baptism of John. Now, a And he began to speak boldly in the synagogue, whom when Aquila and Priscilla had heard, they took him unto them and expounded unto him the way of God more perfectly. Most of that, they choose some and then they leave some. It is never done. Apollo was a lot of church. No one saw the man, no one saw a church. Now, some of us have lived here. Was a brand new call Ephesus. But a church now we are the end. So, what's our advocate? Church, I feel like the president. You know how it was ready. So I tell you, church, John the Baptist, nature was what came the point. After what church in Yakopon Apa, is Shangan Yakopon. So I was often about to friend you for them. And the Christopher, when it was a one family, Mr. Da, Christo Nick. Yaricans and Bayachina knows the old by that, but I'm a cow self. So I don't know, was a Yakopon, and a bishop. One way at the Ankasa, what could Rankasa was a Christo and as a Yakopon of Flower. Now, Obi Biara, Obekase, Otumika Casafo from Rabaja Samnedi. Ave or to be Sayare instant healing. Abeja Samnedi. Now, to be Ma Awaso. Now, to be no poison international. Mrs. Afri Atorofo. Now, Wakasaku could do so. The Sanya Apollo. Ewa Asmafu Humanity, I do what cannot. And the Chamadio Luana got Medunia Siano Ekano. He was eloquent. Savanas are Niameka war Christian in the say, and you'll be now you're dead. I know you're Christian in my power. Christian in my panenia, or the Yankoponga Sam, and an item within an embra, and Yaduma, no bread and was a Yankopon embrace. You are the man, as you have for no any. We are Christian. See a Yankoponga Sam, Jordan Biara, our Church of Christ TV. Yadaba welcome YouTube no subscribe not like it not press notification button no na bring piara the video it is about tomorrow when you be ahwe na yahunyakopon akwan na yadina kwan so na yadene bra ya aduma afa Facebook so your Church of Christ akimoda wetumi I invite amanfo na wona hwese video nyakopon ka ho na onhyira kopem se na wotwe foforo yebesa na hyiam bye bye.